to Symphony number 103, composed by Haydn, first movement. Notice that the second time the theme is stated, it is an octave lower to allow the woodwinds to be heard when they enter and to make the color more distinct. Let's go to 150 years ahead of Hyden times and see the Hindemith orchestration. Now let's look at the Hindemith composition, Matthias de Mahler, third movement. He begins the last movement of the symphony with a very powerful unison. It builds great tension and prepares well for the tutti chords to follow.